I dropped some in this one, but I need to dump some in now. Whoa, it's popping. Add some balloon. So if any pops, it'll just make a